All right. So now let's configure the VPN gateway. That is the virtual network gateway, right? So let's configure that. So this is the name of the virtual network gateway, which we also call the VPN gateway, right? In this project. So just click on that and come down to point to site configuration. Click on that. And then you will see configure now. So when you click on that, then you see the address pool. So the address pool that we are going to use is going to be this one, this IP. Paste, yeah. And then the tunnel type is going to be, we'll choose the last one here. And the authentication type will be Azure certificate. So we have to create a certificate. And in this case, it's telling us to choose a public IP address. So the one I chose was, is something that I think you can choose, can choose like any public IP address you want. So you can just choose this one. So let me just choose something different now. 253.67.54, just something different. And then the root certificate. So the root certificate was basically, I'm just going to show you. I downloaded this document. So the root certificate was gotten, the data was gotten from here, right? So once you click this, let me open it open in Notepad. So it's going to show you. So basically, this is this data here, right? So copy and I'm going to close this. Come back here. Come back here. Paste. And the name is P2S root certificate. Just type it like the point to site root site. And yeah, I think everything looks good. Everything looks good. So let's just save it. So now saving this might take a while. So I'm going to also pause the video here because submitting deployment, so this might take a while. Okay, so the deployment is successful now. So that's the saving, we saved. So the saving, is done. So now if you check here, you see download VPN client. Now this VPN client is what will be given to the employees so that they can, they will be able to access the Azure environment, right? So we have to download this. So I'm going to download this. So you just click on that and then it's going to be downloaded. So let me check my download. Okay. So once you download that, okay, this is it, right? So it's downloading up here. So once you download that, we need to give this, like I said, we need to give this to the employees so that they can download it, and then they will be able to access the Azure environment. However, even if they try to access the Azure environment, they need to be authenticated, right? So that's why we need this, what is called this client certificate, right? We need this, we need to kind of download this client certificates. This is basically what is going to authenticate the code, the employees when they try to access the Azure environment. So let's download this. Next. So the password is going to be Azure bootcamp. Let me type that again just to be sure. Azure bootcamp. Okay, next, finish. Okay, you see the import was successful. So now let me open this one. Let me open this one. So this is a zip file. This is a zip file. So I will click on this Windows, no, this one, Windows AM64. Click on that, and then the VPN, the VPN client setup AM64. Click on that. Extract all. Okay. Let me extract all. Extract. So click on this. And so I'll click on more information, right? And then I'll run anyway. Just run. Yes. Do you wish to install VPN client for VNet? Yeah, remember that was I think that was the name of the virtual network that we created. Yes. And then it's doing it. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do now is, we need to go to our start button. Just come to if you're using a Windows, so let me exit this. So if you're using a Windows, just come to your start button, then go to VPN settings, right? Come to VPN settings, and you will see the virtual network that you created. So in this case, mine was VNet. Once again, the there is my initial, right? So you see that, then I can click connect. So it will bring up this, right? Connect. Then I'll click on connect again. Continue. Yes. Connecting. And it's connected. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. So now you see this is connected, right? Now what we can do is we can go on Git bash to see if we can ping, if we can ping the virtual network, right? I mean, if you can ping the virtual machine, sorry, the virtual machine. So privately, right? So let's go on Git bash. Git bash, then let's get the private IP, for the virtual machine. The virtual machine. So click on that. Okay, so the private IP is this, right? Is this 10.0.0.4. So come to Git bash. So ping 10.0.0.4. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's it. So that's it basically. So we've been able to, the employees now, they can connect, to the Azure environment safely. right? This is amazing. And that's it. Yeah, congratulations. That's it. Okay. I hope this is an interesting one. Yeah, for me, I'm really happy that I'm able to do this, right? Okay. Thank you.